Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. The Dolomite milling machine and how it's changing the game in ceramics manufacturing. If you're into ceramics, you know how crucial precision is. One tiny mistake and your whole piece can be ruined. That's where the Dolomite milling machine comes in. This isn't your average mill. It's designed specifically for ceramics, offering unmatched accuracy and control. Imagine creating intricate designs with ease. No more hand-carving struggles. The Dolomite machine uses advanced technology to handle everything from soft clays to hard, fired ceramics. It mills, shapes, and polishes with minimal waste, saving you time and materials. Why does this matter? Well, in manufacturing, efficiency is key. With Dolomite, you can produce high-quality ceramic parts faster, reducing costs and boosting productivity. Think about applications. From artistic pottery to industrial components like insulators or tiles. This machine handles it all, making it a versatile tool for any ceramics workshop. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality. The Dolomite ensures smooth finishes and precise dimensions, leading to products that meet strict industry standards. Plus, it's user-friendly. Even if you're new to milling, the intuitive controls and software make it easy to get started and master complex tasks. In a nutshell, the Dolomite milling machine is a game-changer. It's empowering creators and manufacturers to push boundaries in ceramics like never before. So, if you're looking to upgrade your ceramics game, give the Dolomite a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.